Before we review this illustration, I would like to point out that this is really not a change in 70E at all. I just added this illustration in because we get a number of questions pertaining to testing voltage at bonding jumpers to determine if the voltage is such a level of loss that the electronic equipment is picking up unwanted noisy signals that would cause the electronic equipment to operate, in a manner that's not appropriate. Now, these are some hazardous associated conditions that you want to look here in these 5 bullets. But we want to concentrate on testing the voltage at the bonding jumpers. You see in this information listed here. And the first bullet deals with the bonding jumper voltage measurement that should be less than 0.1 volt as outlined in 70B 14.3.4.1. Downstream now bonding jumper due to current flow. Readings greater than 3 volt or less than 5 volt presents a problem where there is a remote condition and problem with a bonding jumper in accordance with 70B 14.3.2. Now, voltage for bonding jumper from the chassis, the equipment should be less than 2 volts as we are told and outlined in 14.3.6. So the purpose of this change, as you see here, was really no change. It was just adding information in 340.4 for the user of 70E when they're dealing with voltage measurements at the bonding jumper at any location is listed here in the 3 bullets in accordance with NFPA 70B.